Hey guys, so we're actually on our way to Vertis North right now. So, ayun, we're just gonna hang out. It's a Sunday, so we're planning to watch Quezon, and then we're just gonna spend the entire afternoon at probably at Vertis Park or probably in one of the cafes in Vertis North. So, yep. Hey guys, so we're currently here at Vertis Park, here at Vertis North. And ayun, we're just gonna spend our Sunday here kasi yan na board sa bahay. And
Yes, we need a new view,
new view.
environment for the weekend.
Well, just for the that's right, but not necessarily view. I mean new
It's our
because
neighborhood kasi.
yeah, Vertis Park or Vertis North rather is just few blocks away from our place. Did I say Vertis Park kanina? It should be Vertis Mall here at Vertis North.
This one. Or etong magkano. Ah, okay. 1.5 pala, ano? Tama, 1.5 na we get. So, we're at Straightforward. We're picking out bags. I picked mine already, and Sharku is looking for the +1 for the bag. Brown one or the black one looks nice. Mas classic yung brown.
The blue one.
Sure ka? Okay. Ito.
Para ano, unique. Or actually maganda din tong white.
Yeah.
Maganda siya.
Like that.
Ito kasi
Mas classic yan tingnan. It's like the old one. But first, coffee. The one beside the movie side. And I'm just gonna buy coffee. I got matcha and then brownies. That's it. But Check was thinking of buying fries and papasok niya dito. But I think pwede naman since they don't offer fries. I think pwede naman.
So I've actually decided to buy something outside of but first coffee kasi nag-crave ako ng takoyaki. So we're actually heading to Japantown of Vertis North. Vertis, Vertis North. So eto, we're gonna buy gold takoyaki. But before doing that, let me give you a quick tour around Japantown. So we just got out from the cinema, and what do you think about the show or the movie?
We get now why Quezon's family are fuming over the movie and how it went. But yeah, oh well, you should watch it to assess why. But it was still a good one, I suppose. So the post scene implies that the next movie will be about magsaysay.
About Magsaysay.
Yeah, so that's something that we should be looking forward to. I personally would be looking forward to that movie. So yeah.
Hey guys, so ayun, we're currently outside Vertis Mall. This is like the square in the middle of Vertis Mall. And Actually, this is one of the reasons why gusto namin dito. And wala lang, it's just a nice place to be. Medyo tago siya. Right?
And not the crowd here isn't that bad.
Yeah.
Like you don't get to wait like super long lines to get something.
Sure.
Plus, it's fairly peaceful over here.
Yeah.
Compared to Trinoma, oh god.
Yep. Here's the crowd.
We're busy ng Trinoma. Lalo na pag linggo, di ba? So,
True. That's
yeah.
right. So here, quiet lang and normally yung mga pumupunta here is yung talagang familiar sa Vertis North kasi yun nga, it's in fact sabi ng iba, it's a secret mall
Medyo tago kasi siya.
just beside Trinoma.
So we just got back from Vertis North and we dropped by straightforward for me to check some bags, and this is the one that we got. Ta-da! It's the Tachi tote bag. Yes, in azul and onyx black because this is reversible. So I went with this color because siya lang yung may black. But the lighter colors are also good. It's just that I don't usually wear or have clothes that are in the lighter spectrum. That's why baka hindi din siya bumagay. So the black side is definitely for me. It's cute. I think it's only for... This is 1.5, but we got another wallet for Cheku as well. So it's like 1.5 buy one take one. Not bad. The wallet is also good, by the way. So Cheku finally has a new wallet, and it's in blue and light blue color. Pretty good deal. Hi there, you guys. Happy Sabado. We're currently at Shell getting some gas. Gonna fill the tires with air, and we'll be on our way to Muntinlupa to celebrate Mama's birthday really quick. But we're gonna head back then agad because we don't wanna get caught in traffic and also be late sa road because it's November 1 today. And as you can see, this season is quite notorious for having traffic sa roads because people are moving from the city to the provinces. And here is our driver, Chekuweku.
Hey guys, hi everyone. So ayun, kanina we were actually at Vertis North Mall. Ito yung next scene, but this is actually a few days after the Vertis North
Yeah.
visit. Ay, bad.
May loyalty po, go by access. Maganda lang po sa akin.
The lighting became a little bit off kasi
Pwede
lumiwanag
nyo diretso lang.
bigla. So,
Pwede na po kayo.
yeah, we're gonna get the tires filled with air first before we hit the skyway because, you know,
try muna natin tong unang pin ha, kasi nakalimutan.
we're generally maluwag. There are much cars, but I guess much traffic dito during the 31st or even the 30th because pumatak siya ng Thursday and Friday this year. And I'm not sure if local workers would have a holiday on Monday and Tuesday next week. I don't know because I'm no longer caught up with their work calendars kasi diba, US-based na kami nag-work ni Checo Weco and we only have a really few holidays of work, diba? Yun yung caveat.
Yeah.
We don't have much holidays in the US compared to Philippines na parang every month there are like one or sometimes multiple holiday in a month and multiple long weekends coexisting within the 30-day calendar. But for us, our longest holiday would be one Thanksgiving and the break we usually get around December up until the first week of January because we generally pause work during that time. So yun yung mahabang rest namin. It's 2 weeks. 2 weeks, diba? Yeah, so 2 weeks.
Christmas break.
Oo, yun yung Christmas break namin, which is also nice. Okay lang din. So yeah, catch you guys up later.